What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add an image background in OBS Studio. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and select the scene where you want to add the image. If you don't have one yet, click the plus icon under the scenes to create a new scene. Next, under the Sources panel, click the plus icon and select Image. Give the source a name, then click OK. After that, click Browse and select the image you want to use as your background, and click Open. Click OK, and the image will appear in your scene. You can resize and reposition the image by dragging the corners until it fits your layout. And that's it. That's how you can add an image background in OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.